Hi, Philip from TW White and Sons. We've been fortunate enough to acquire this beautiful 2015 on a 15 plate Mazda 2 1.5 90 PS launch edition, finished in dynamic blue. Car was registered 11th of March 2015. It's had 2 owners since new. It's covered 43,977 miles and has a valid MOT until the 10th of March 24. This car was last serviced, in fact, very recently, 1st of March 23 at 43,728 miles. Beautiful condition car, and finished in dynamic blue metallic. Comes with polished alloy wheels, privacy glass, rear parking sensors, remote central locking, 60/40 split rear seat system. Carpet mats they've left in the boot here because they've obviously just cleaned the car. It hasn't been fully valeted, but we thought we'd get it online as quickly as possible. Load area cover, parcel shelf all intact. No broken strings, no broken fitments, all there. Boot is nice and clean. No marks on the rear bumper. So this car's had quite a delicate life. All the tools there, pump kit, etc. Really well presented car, this nice original car. Comes with 12 months Mazda approved warranty, encapsulating 12 months roadside assistance. At TW White and Sons, we'll take any car in part exchange. We will be as competitive as any of the online companies advertising on national television or online, or purporting to buy your part exchange. We'd like your part exchange too, except we'd like to sell you a car, and we will be as competitive as anybody out there whilst offering the best customer service. This car, as I said, 12 months Mazda approved warranty. Look at the interior, unmarked grey stroke black cloth, I would say. Interior here, minimal signs of wear to the bolster. Electric windows all round with one touch facility on the driver's window, electric door mirrors. Sitting inside the car, first banker switches we come to. Our lane departure warning system, just above that Mazda's I-Stop stop-start technology, just above to the left of that tyre pressure monitoring, and to the left of that traction control. Manual headlamp levelling there, very useful at night. Keyless start on this, so just dip the clutch, hit this button here. Somebody's left the wipers on. Just turn that down. So 43,979 miles. Really well spec car. Tachometer, electronic tachometer, rev counter on the left hand side. Mileage 43,979. Speedo in the centre. On the right hand side here, fuel gauge, we're very low on fuel, 0 miles it's showing. Just above that, outside temperature reading here. If you look at this multi-function steering wheel on the left hand side, I'll just briefly take you through this. You've got integrated Bluetooth with voice control on the right hand side, cruise control, and beyond that, auto wipers with variable speed on the intermittent, and auto lights. And just here, if I move that info button up and down, you can see that it changes elements of the display on the right hand side. So 0 miles, obviously, because it's empty of fuel. 49.4 average MPG, depends on how the car's been driven, where it's been driven, under what climatic conditions, etc. 29 miles per hour as an average. Those are the statistics that obviously this car's picked up on its last journey. Let's just turn off these fog lamps here, give you a better view. So there we have it, main instrument binnacle there, with indicators, lights, wipers, etc. In the centre here, a very simple air conditioning system, manual air conditioning system. So you just set your temperature accordingly, whatever fan speed you want, press AC, gives you instant air conditioning. Heated rear window, recirc the air on the inside, and where you want the air to go. Couldn't be easier. And it's blowing out at this level ice cold air. CD player, twin USB socketry, 12 volt power socketry, and aux socketry there. So it's got a multitude of adaptability here to, you know, you can plug all your phones and iPod in, etc. 5-speed manual box, which is a delight to use. This box, this is a very directional, very smooth gearbox here, and you've got main navigation wheel with star button to left hand side, bottom left there is to operate favourites through radio stations, phone book, etc. The arrow button directly opposite it will operate as a back button. Then you've got nav top right, home screen centre, music top left. Satellite navigation here, very simple. For the purposes, this can operate on touchscreen, but only whilst you're stationary. As soon as you move off in this car for various safety reasons, which are very valid, the touchscreen becomes disabled and you operate everything through here. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to operate it through the main navigation wheel, but you can see where you want to go, set up, navigate home, favorites, find places, look at the history, etc. And this is what I like, places nearby. You can set up a category here. So if you wanted to find a fuel, well, it needs a fuel station. Let's say you want to find a fuel station, press search. It comes up with a multitude of options there, and you can highlight and execute the command as to which one you want to go to. Back button here takes us to where we are. Home screen, integrated Bluetooth, no phone connected. Stereo radio here. You got FM, you got DAB, which it's currently searching for. We'll take you back. Stitcher app, USB, home screen, applications. Yeah, that means it's low on fuel, as we've already said. Fuel economy monitor, Mazda stop start i-stop technology. If it's i-stop ready, at the moment it's not ready, and it clearly says that. If it's i-stop ready, battery's got sufficient charge, etc. You can drive up set of traffic lights out to be red, gauge neutral, the engine will stop. Touch the pedals as soon as the lights turn to green. Touch the pedals, the engine will start. And obviously that has tremendous environmental advantages and fuel saving advantages. Stop start technology. Satellite navigation, which we've been over already. Come back to it. Settings here for the vehicle. Display we're looking at, you can adjust that between auto, day and night modes. You can adjust the brightness, contrast. Safety, it's got a smart city brake support as well, very useful for town driving at low speed. Lane departure warning system, this warns you when you drift out of lane on a motorway or B road or A road or any road that's got road markings. If you're drifting out of lane, this car will warn you of such. You can adjust its timing, the warning parameters, the sound, the volume of those associated warning parameters as well. Sound, bass, treble, fader, bounce, automatic level control here with the stereo will adjust the sound level to compensate for any road or engine noise. Clock 12 or 24 hour, and you can set the time zone. Vehicle, door locks, auto relock time, you can adjust that. Your turn indicators, you can adjust those for volume, whether you choose to have a 3-flash indicator. Lighting, interior lights, door open, door closed, lights on, warning, volume, coming home light, leaving home light, auto headlights on, medium, low, medium, high, medium, medium, low and low. Devices, network, Bluetooth management system here, between Celsius and Fahrenheit. You can adjust your temperature, your miles, your distance between miles and kilometers as well. So sat nav, and there you can hear the parking sensors at the rear. So sat nav, rear parking sensors, integrated Bluetooth, DAB radio, air conditioning, polished bright alloy wheels which are in superb condition. Car's got a full service history, just been serviced 1st of March, as I say. It's in really, you know, 43,979 miles. This car's been very well looked after. Condition of the dashboard is unmarked. It's really rare to find a 2 that's actually quite clean without being enhanced in any way, and by that I mean, you know, an extra bit of valeting. This is a nice original car which will serve somebody for many years to come. As I've said to you, we take any vehicle in part exchange, so you know, we'd be delighted to receive your part exchange at a very competitive price. 12 months Mazda approved warranty. Well, to be perfectly honest, that is as good as any manufacturer's warranty. This car will come vehicle mileage checked as well. The mileages are all warranted on all of our used cars, otherwise we don't buy them. It's that simple. If you want to find out more about this 2015 on a 15 plate Mazda 2 launch edition, please go onto our website, which is www.twhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.